Good morning to all. My name is Dr. Naveen Kumar Dagudu. I am addiction psychiatrist. Do you have trouble motion without cigarette? Oh, then you should know about your tobacco dependence. What is the dependence? It's a sort of addictive disorder on your smoking or non-smoke tobacco form. There are the certain signs are telling for you it's a level of addiction is involving or severity of addiction is involving. In that, first and foremost important thing is not only the number of quantity of cigarettes per a day. Suppose for example, if you consume more than 20 to 30 cigarettes per a day, it means you are high dependent on the smoking or tobacco products. If you, how soon you have to take first cigarette in a day, maybe it's a lesser than 5 minutes or lesser than 1 hour, it may be hinting for you to your level of use is becoming in dependent pattern. And you feeling difficulty to hold your smoking or tobacco taking consumption in a forbidden areas, like suppose while in workplace, while within the home, though you have the intent to not to smoke but you are urged to having of smoke, then it's also one of the sign or one of the hinting factor for you to say about dependence. And having of trouble to control your first half of the day of cigarette consumption than the second half of the day, then it's also severity of addiction is getting increasing. Do you, when compared to male and female, generally male, they used to take the cigarettes for alerting sake or increasing attention or vigorous purposes sake. Maybe the female necessities or initiation reasons may be something different. Usually it's a stress reduction purpose, but the joy, the pleasure, the addictive quality may be the same. Maybe the males, they have the higher intensity of the severity, where the females maybe they have the fastly develop the severity of the addiction. So what is the harms of it? I think so tobacco harms, smoking harms, non-smokeful of tobacco harms are the prevalently you all are know about that it causes the health issues like cancer, heart related strokes, heart diseases, lung cancers and ENT related cancers and breathlessness, COPD conditions and obesity, atherosclerosis, so many smoking related problems. Very importantly, cosmetic things like a skin tone will be becoming more aging process or it was manifested, then odor of the your breath and as well as hairs will change. And next important harms like a suppose for example the childbearing age people they have the some teratogenic effects also they are consuming, they have to have. Then so other, how do we prevented these things? Yes, it's a addictive disorder. Tobacco, in the tobacco products, nicotine is the addictive properties it has, whereas the other combustible properties, constituents like suppose tar, nitrosamines, carbon monoxide, arsenic, lead, there are the 7,000 chemicals are there in one single cigarette smoke. In that hundreds it has the causing harmful effects. At least in each cigarette consumption 70 chemicals which are the having of proven carcinogenic. So it means it's a tremendous harms are there, and everybody know about these things. And how do we prevent it? How do we treat? Yes, tobacco addiction or tobacco dependence treatment is a very difficult to treat, but it has the medicine, it has the treatment options. 95% of the people they fail in their attempts. These medicines will increase your chance of recovery into 3 times. If you combine medicines along with your individualized targeted behavioral interventions and counselings will help you increase further at least 3 to 6 times it was chances to recovery will be there. and this treatment tailored for the withdrawal or to maintenance purpose. See, individualized treatment I have told. So same like withdrawal symptoms, if you stop the consuming of tobacco product, do you get within 1 to 2 hours you started to withdrawal, and it will be get the peak in one day, and it was continue up to 4 to 8 weeks of time. Like anger, concentration difficulty, less increasing of weight gain, increasing appetite, low energy, depressed mood, many things. But some of the symptoms may some persons may persist prolonged together, like suppose craving, like suppose weight gain, and like suppose increase appetite. These are the things that may continue. So individualized treatment responses will be required for the treatment, best treatment. So treatment is available, and this information is may sensitize the public and as well as to sensitize our colleague medical fraternities. This is the treatable, preventable, like a cancer risk level of causing things like tobacco is a preventable disease, preventable condition, this tobacco dependencies. So I am requesting once again, thank you one and all. This video is helpful for you for your recovery. Thank you.